right, we're here today with Pam, and Pam is about to start our knee program with Dr. Davis. So Pam, tell me, what brought you into the office?
Your ad on Facebook.
You saw our ad on Facebook with a survey and everything. Okay. So how long have you been dealing with this knee pain?
A year.
A year. And it's in both knees, right?
Mostly my right knee.
Mostly your right knee. What is your pain level today in both those knees?
Well, one is a little more than the other. I would say the right knee is probably an 8. The left knee is trying to cope with the right knee. So it's come up a little bit, but it's down at a 4.
Okay.
Knee. Yeah.
Okay. So what is a typical day like for you?
Scooching around the house, getting tired, not being able to do anything I want to do. I can walk to the car. I go to the grocery store and I get in one of those handy dandy little scooters, which is kind of fun, but okay, that's got to end too.
Right, exactly. I understand. Is there anything that you do that makes it worse, like aggravates those knees?
Walking.
Walking.
Just walking.
Walking in general.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you do that makes it feel better?
Sitting.
So the resting, it does relieve the pain?
Yes.
Okay. Any discomfort or pain when you did that?
None.
Okay. So I'm going to have you put your feet shoulder length apart, arms straight out in front of you, keeping your heels on the ground. I want you to squat down for me. And slowly come back up. Any discomfort there?
No, just only lets me go a certain distance.
So it's restricting you. Okay. All right. So now we're going to do the stairs.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Yep. And I want you to pay attention as to when it's hurting. Is it when you're transitioning to the next step?
Yeah, because the Baker cyst is back here for the left knee.
And you have a Baker cyst on that left
Yes.
knee. Yes.
And the right knee, everything is just wobbly and unstable. I have to do right knee first.
Okay.
Even though that's the worst one, it seems to be the strongest.
The right knee is
Or I
the
lean
strongest.
To the right.
Okay. Which was worse, going up or down the stairs?
I think they're equal.
They're about the same?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You ready to get started?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Got it, good. Here's the last one. Keep going. Excellent, Pam. And I want you to stand up and just kind of march in place a little bit.
Okay.
Work those knees. Yep.
Yeah.
Swing your legs.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna have you walk down the hallway. We'll have you do some, we'll see the after effects.
Okay.
Never realized this was a spectator sport.
This is my favorite part.
That way?
Yep.
Yep, just
Shall I
try
just
to walk
march?
normal.
No, just walk normal.
No, kick. Do the rocket kick. Yeah.
That's right. Does it feel different?
Do it again.
Yeah, now you
No,
can
they
feel it.
want you to.
Go ahead. Do it again. Do it
Walk
again.
under again.
I haven't walked this freely in almost a year.
That's great.
I don't have the pain that was there. I can feel it a little tight still. I mean, I know it's there, but the pain,
As you
the
free
pain
it
is
up,
gone.
when a joint's fixated and doesn't unlock properly, it fires nociceptors, which are pain receptors, so to tell you something's wrong. Like putting your hand on the hot stove, you want to make sure you move it.
Right.
So what do most people do? We take stuff to cover it up. When your joints are trying to tell you something, we keep covering up. So you're doing,
I
you
have
got to move
walked
it and the
this
pain instantly goes away.
Fluidly for a long time.
Yeah.
We're back with Pam, and Pam has finished her treatment with Dr. Davis. So Pam, let's see what you got. Stand up for me. How was that?
Very easy.
All right, let's do that squat. How low can you go?
Well, I still can only go about that low.
That's pretty good. Let's do the stairs.
Okay. I'm gonna hang on.
Yes, I do want you to hang on for the first time.
That's still a
Take it
little
easy,
tight.
take it easy. It's gonna take a couple times.
Yeah, the right knee is still a little tight, but the left knee is working great.
Okay, so now go back up. Look at that. Now that was smoother. Out of everything, you were at about an 8 for the pain discomfort. What do you think you are now?
Walking,
The only
Maybe
glitch
a
that
one.
we're having is going down those
Yeah,
stairs.
that's the only issue I'm having now with the right knee is going down the steps.
Okay.
But walking, I would say I'm down to a 1.
Okay.
Woo!
And what would the stairs? What would you say? Has that changed?
Going
it?
up, I forget where I was. I think I was at an 8 or a 9 going up.
Yeah.
Going up, it's probably 4 or 5.
Okay.
Coming down, it's still kind of, the right knee is the bad one.
So are you happy with today's treatment?
Yes.
Let's go do some therapies
I
and
have
get
a
you
quick-
better.
I have a quick question. Can I ask you how it felt to work outside of your insurance? We didn't use any insurance. How's that feel?
Painful.
Now
That's
that
an
hurt.
8 or a 9. But you know what? If I can walk and do the things that I want to do, to me,
It's priceless.
can't take it with you.
It's priceless.
Yeah.
All right. Well, welcome to the family, Pam.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.